We're a bit loaded up this time. Something a bit different. We're sending it for a weekend mission. But we are stocked right up. Heavy boat. A big Benny. Dave behind him. Ready to send it. Beautiful day today. So hopefully the weather continues to follow the suit. But for the meantime, we're going to put the boats in the water and make a slow trip over to the island that we are camping at for the weekend. How good's this? Let's go. We are loaded up, but we are on the way. As some of you may be able to tell, I have a new addition to the boat. Thank you to one of the bros, you know who you are. Beautiful. How good. You all good, Dave? Huh? Not sure what he's doing or what he said, but he gave me a thumbs up. Far out. Don't tell me his boat stopped already. What happened? Your fuel cut out.
I think it's just because I unplugged it and put it back in and the pin hasn't secured properly.
Far out, Dave. We're not even a kilometre from the ramp, mate.
2 years it has happened.
Come on, man.
Last time was with you.
What are you doing, man? This is Dave, one of the boys. He'll be out here for the weekend with us. We've got about 6 of us coming this weekend, so it should be good. Hopefully your boat stops playing silly buggers, mate.
Once it's sorted, it should be fun.
Yeah, get it together, mate. Yee-hoo! Alright. Call us if you need. Fishing trip of the session. There's a good school of Taylor right in front of us. How was that? Taylor first cast. There's loads of bait just getting hurdled up onto this bank. I think I'm a bit far out. I'm just too excited, I want to have a cast. So we're out doing the King of the Pin. It's a competition out here around Jacob's Well and whatnot. It's just a good excuse to go camping, fishing all weekend. I've done it a few times. It's just, yeah, good weekend out with the boys. There's a big bunch of bed over there. Let's put a casting in front of me. There's so many birds up here, there's so much bait. There's got to be some Taylor hanging. Oh, I think I just hooked a bait fish. Either that or this fish doesn't realise it's hooked. That is the smallest tailor you'll see. Oh no, it's not even a tailor. That is good bait. I just hooked one of the baits. Oh, spiky as shit, love. Send him down. I'll send him down later. Spiky as hell, that thing stabbed the shit out of me. I think I've hooked a little shark here. I was just floating through the pin. Yeah, there's a little shark. Little bully. Oh, he's having a go. Little black tip shark. Hectic, bro. Death rolling and everything. Look at the teeth on him. Just a little fella. Whew. I'm not really prepared for this. Oi, yeah. I've only got really small pliers. I'm not overly keen. I'll be able to get it pretty easy, I reckon. Woo. Let's see how I'll go here. It's going to be a bit hairy. Sketching out, bro. Sketchy house, bro. How big are the pliers that you got? Hey? How big are the pliers that you've got?
Everything else is back at the campsite, but I got these.
Have you got pliers? Fuck.
What would you get?
Shark.
Did you?
I can't get.
Is that on the tailor?
Nah.
On a jig?
Nah. I think I'm just gonna have to cut it out, eh?
Now all my pliers are little too.
Same.
Do you want me to hold his head? Oh, I can't. I'm in this boat. There's no way to pull up either, eh? If we could pull up somewhere, I can have to hold his head. I was thinking of trying that snapper spot. get bit, cunt.
Huh?
Don't let it turn around and bite you.
No, I'm just gonna cut it, eh?
Is that on a lure?
Nah, on a hook.
Fuck it, throw it back.
I'm sketching out, bruh. Woo! Well, it's a bit of a wet morning and a wet start this morning, but it's shaping up to what looks to be a beautiful day on day 2. Have a go at that. And hopefully this day brings us some fish today, because the fishing yesterday was quite tough. I think we got 2 tailor and a shark. That's about all. So hopefully today we can go out, catch some fish, and yeah, we'll be coming back to camp tonight, or probably for lunch actually. Yeah. Next time you see us, hopefully my reel will be screaming, rod will be bent, smiles will be big. Until then, we're gonna make some coffee and get a boogie on. Let's go. Completely forgot to turn the camera on.
That'd be legal.
Yeah, it is legal. Oh, I was just on as well.
School snaps, bro. Not bad.
I think like 36 or something.
37.
Oh, I dropped it. That got very snappers. Weird, eh? Yeah, got it. Nice. Snapper, I think.
Good little first run.
I got hit heaps on the way. Yeah, there's another nice little snapper again.
Fucking choked it.
Nice one. Good big again too.
Good colours. Oh, he's a bit bigger.
He's a good little snap, bro. Keep him for a feed.
38.
38.
Getting bigger.
Oh, it's a grumper. You want this one, mate?
That's alright.
Here's a nice grumper too.
Yeah. Oh, javelin fish. Like he was not going anywhere.
Listen to him.
You want to know why they call it a grunter?
Oh, Pepper the pig over here. Oh yeah, fuck. I casted the wrong way. They're all on this other side. There's just fish both sides of us, eh, galore. They're either snapper or brim or grunter or something. There's heaps. Oh, there's a big thready in with them, but heaps, bro. Put a cast in down there. Down there. There's heaps of fish. Yeah.
That's what you call a cast off.
I was about to say that sounds like that snapped. So many fish.
So it snaps.
Oh, got him. Yeah. Oh, got him. I was gonna say, bro, how am I not hooking up in that? Yeah. Massive school or bro?
Grunter.
Oh, there's a bit of
And you're the smallest one of all. What you doing to get the fucking small one?
Oh, got him. Oh, no. Oh, got him. Yep. Straight away. Another little grunter, I think. Yeah. We're on a massive school of these at the moment. There is some bigger ones in there, so hopefully, oh, that's a good sign. Hopefully I can get some more. There's heaps of them there. Got a little bit of go about him. Oh, it's a foul hooked brim.
That's your fucking second brim today.
Just a foul hooked brim. Hook straight in the side of him. Not the ideal hooking location.
I'm happy to drive away from that.
Cheers, buddy.
Far out. Bloody brim. Not as thick as before on this outlet. Got some? Beautiful. Oh, oh shit. Big They're pretty good quality too, eh? They're not bad prawns at all. It's a good prawn, no doubt about it. These will be food and bait tonight.
I just got a horse.
Got a few. Nice. Yeah, just tip that. That should be right on them. Hopefully. Yeah, that should be right on them. Why is this? Some prawns. Is that a Jew? Oh, it's a big grunter.
No, it's not. Scat.
Or is it a big scat?
Wait, bro. I'm on the stuff in front of the Dakota.
Huh?
I'm on the front of the Dakota.
Two scats.
They hurt.
Yeah, they're big dogs.
Is it a grunter?
Nah, just two big scats.
Happy Moments, I believe, as well, is another name for it.
No, you should do them.
Yeah.
I never tried them.
Oh, that's alright. Alright, well you sort them out. There's a fair few right here actually.
Yeah, these guys are spiky fellas. You don't want to get spiky. Hurt. Hey, Jack. Want a happy moment?
Oh yeah,
There's two of them like this.
Sorry, I should have warned you about that. Yeah, that was a good feed. Tip it all up at the top first so it'll stay in the top pocket. Nice little pocket.
Gazebo.
Got Zach doing all the hard work, but I'm still happy with that.
Casting left, right.
Probably the left better. It's alright, let it drop, you might still get some. Oh, there's a big catch there. At the back of the boat right here. There's a few in there. Tip it all up to the top. Bro, there's a big patch there, eh? Oh, and we're back at the island after the morning session. Caught a few fish, just not the size we're after. Got the oil bays out the back. And we're just gonna go and have some lunch up at camp. What do you reckon?
Brought some hungry ass.
Feed that big belly of yours or what?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, the water's actually not too bad. Oh, that was a pretty big morning session, man. That's no doubt. Oh yeah. Shit! You're kidding. There's a big log there and I just booted my toe into it. Felt fantastic. But yeah, anyway, we caught a few fish, got some prawns. Oh. And we're going to use those prawns for bait and for food, so that'll be good. And yeah, we'll come back to you later. You. Is it a fish?
Yeah. It's on a turtle.
What is it? A little flatty? Oh, it's a little bait fish.
That's a little
It's a
tailor.
little tailor.
Bro, that's like...
Oh, I just popped the thing. It did. No, lost it. Did you drop it?
Came off.
Came off. It's giant. That's a fish. That was shaking like a bream or a whiting, eh, to be honest. Oh, it dropped. That's it. No way. Oh man. That's a fish. Oh, he came off. Another little float. What a big one. One that's worth stopping the boat for. Oh, I dropped it. Again. Oh, no way, dude. That pulled drag and everything.
Oh, in. It's literally just in.
Big eagle ray jump. Slutty bites turning on the troll, but they're just shaking us off straight away. Oh, as if. How did that just drop? Bloody hell, packing up, it wasn't too bad, but on the boat, in a singlet at this time of the morning, it's 9:25. It's actually pretty nippy in the old singlet, eh? Don't know if it was a good idea or not. How's the rigging going? Almost set?
Almost set.
Beauty. Yeah, the boys. We thought, bugger it, we're just going to troll this bank on the way. Got enough time. You should do the same, you got one already rigged up.
Yeah, a little bit.
We on, Zach?
Hopefully.
We're on.
We're on.
Big ons.
Big on.
Big send-ons offs. We're still in 5.5 meters, so I'd be very shocked if you got one right now.
Oh shit, it comes everywhere.
We got no net, so. How good? On the camp home, we're fully loaded.
Good thrashing around.
Here he comes out. Nice little fish. Alright, your job. Now, here you go, if you want to try to do it in the water. This spot just looked too good, bro. There's no way we weren't going to get one. Oh, make this graceful.
Stop being an asshole.
Nice one, bro.
Let's go again.
Alright, well, this is goodbye. Push, Zach. Push. Push. We're all loaded up. David, Benny, Zach, Lessos, fully loaded. We've got the boys in the back. And yeah, it's a great weekend away with the boys. As always, the fishing was pretty tough, but we did manage to put a few in the boat. Obviously not the desired size, but you can't win all the battles.
Fucking oath.
Overall though, fantastic weekend away.
Could have asked for a better bunch of blokes.
Bloody oath, mate. What do you reckon, Zach? Good weekend?
What a good weekend, mate.
What a good weekend. And yeah, we're gonna go spend the day at the King of the Pin weigh-ins, see what everybody caught. And then, yeah, sit there, eat some food, have a few drinks, a couple of beers, mate, I think. And yeah, hopefully win some prizes. That'll be good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll film a little bit at the King of the Pin maybe. If not, it's because I'm a bit camera shy, just whipping the camera out in public. But you get that. Anyway, hooroo your dogs.